blow. Blow. Everybody blow.
Wait, leave one running. Leave one running. It's gonna be hilarious.
Blow again. Blow some
No,
more.
leave it. No, stop. Don't. Leave them all running. Let's do it all over again. Ready, ready. Yeah, go.
Go! Go, Mal.
Just leave one running. Leave. I get the one that's running.
Well, you guys can't blow them out very good. What is going on?
It's all smoking. Oh God! Come on.
Oh yeah, we might go open that door before the fire alarm goes off. You guys didn't blow them all out.
Well, are you going to blow them out or not? What? Are you guys going to blow these candles out? Oh, now they're gone.
Oh, there's another one.
Where? I think they're all blown out.
Good gravy. Those are the toughest candles I've ever seen.
Okay, there.
And I still go on.
There we go.
I think those are Energizer Bunny candles.
Mom!